Hey everyone, the GameMT E5 Ultra arrives as the latest iteration in the company's line of compact Android-based gaming handhelds, and it manages to surpass the E5 Plus in nearly every meaningful category. While the design still carries the recognizable styling of its predecessor, the E5 Ultra refines the overall experience by combining stronger internal hardware with modern features that make it a more capable system for retro gaming and light Android use. At the heart of the E5 Ultra lies the Unisoc T620, a processor that provides a noticeable leap in performance compared to the Rockchip RK3566 found in the E5 Plus. This combination gives the device significantly more headroom for emulation and multitasking, pushing the boundaries of what a low-cost handheld can achieve. In practice, this means smoother gameplay across a broader library of systems, including the ability to emulate demanding consoles, such as the PlayStation 2 and GameCube, areas where the E5 Plus struggled. The display is another highlight of the upgrade. The E5 Ultra incorporates a 5-inch panel with a resolution of 720p. Games appear sharp without straining the hardware, and the smaller screen size ensures that even lower-resolution retro titles look clean and vibrant. One of the most important changes comes in the control department. The inclusion of Hall effect joysticks significantly improves durability and responsiveness compared to traditional analog sticks. These magnetic-based sticks resist wear and eliminate drift issues, a major concern for anyone planning to use the device for long sessions. The handheld also offers an additional Hall effect joystick, expanding control precision and enhancing usability across a wider variety of games. Battery life has also been given proper attention. The E5 Ultra houses a 5,000 mAh cell, which provides several hours of consistent play depending on workload. Storage and memory have been improved as well. The handheld comes with 6 gigs of RAM, giving it ample room to handle both gaming and multitasking in Android 14. Switching between emulators, apps, and background processes feels smoother, ensuring that users won't face the slowdowns that often plague devices with lower memory allocations. When it comes to design and customization, GameMT offers the E5 Ultra in 3 different colors: black, gray, and white, allowing users to pick a style that suits them best. Despite its small form factor, the device feels sturdy and practical for portable use, staying lightweight enough for long handheld sessions while being durable enough to withstand everyday carrying. Perhaps the most compelling part of the package is the price. While many handhelds with comparable performance levels can cost upwards of $179, like the Kinhink K56, the E5 Ultra manages to stay far more affordable. In the end, the GameMT E5 Ultra presents itself as a handheld designed to bridge affordability and performance. With its stronger processor, Hall effect joysticks, 720p display, large battery, and Android 14 operating system, it delivers a more complete experience than the E5 Plus and places itself ahead of many competitors in its price range. While it may not rival premium handhelds that push into higher-end gaming territory, the E5 Ultra stands out as a reliable, feature-rich device for retro gamers and Android users seeking an inexpensive yet highly capable portable system. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you. Have a nice day and God bless you.